What's up, guys, and welcome back to Equip Entertainment. Back in August this year, 2024, Julius Malema labeled all silent EFF members enemies within after Floyd Shivambu left the EFF. There was an issue of loyalty within the EFF and unity which was getting questionable, and Malema was warning that silence amid criticism amounts to betrayal. Malema wanted all those who are popular within the EFF movement to speak out and defend the movement on social media, on TV, and on radio. But unfortunately, Mbuyiseni Ndlozi was just quiet. He never spoke anything. Fast forward in 17 November 2024, the EFF spokesperson Sina Otambo has also reiterated the same statements and is questioning Mbuyiseni Ndlozi to speak. They are pushing Mbuyiseni Ndlozi to show support for the EFF instead of just remaining silent. So Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is trending again after the City Press and the Sunday World released articles where they were saying Mbuyiseni Ndlozi has been banned from the elective conference that is going to happen in December. And so many fighters out there were asking and saying, who should defend the EFF when it is under attack from so many people? Because so many people were now attacking the EFF and saying you shouldn't ban Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. Sina Otambo responded to this and said, it is the persona himself that must speak. That is Mbuyiseni Ndlozi himself, he must speak. The EFF has not been quiet. It has been very vocal against infiltration and the misuse of ideology to destroy it. But if as a person you are being used as a vehicle to undermine the integrity of the EFF, you must speak yourself. So this message is being sent to Mbuyiseni Ndlozi where he is saying, you as the person yourself, you must speak. Why are you not speaking when your movement is being portrayed as a villain in your name? So the name of the EFF is being portrayed as a villain in the name of Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. So Sina Otambo is challenging Mbuyiseni Ndlozi to speak. Well, Mbuyiseni Ndlozi has spoken, but of course he was speaking so many times in the past, but he has seen a need here to speak again, and he has spoken. This is what Mbuyiseni Ndlozi was said. The first one is more like a retweet, where he said he is going nowhere, EFF is home, Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. So he just came in here and just retweeted this message. And on here again, the only political party we have, he retweeted this one again to show his support for the EFF, to say, I am here at EFF, I am not going anywhere, this is my political party. A commissar of the EFF, we don't get to be told by media houses. Another retweet again by Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, and another one, this time from Naledi Chirwa. So Mbuyiseni Ndlozi has spoken. He is showing his support for the EFF, and he is telling everybody out there that I am not going anywhere. EFF is my home. So this is the response he has been told to speak up by Sina Otambo, to say the EFF is under attack, you must speak up. Well, Mbuyiseni Ndlozi has spoken up and said, I am not going anywhere, this is my home.